So this is the Waffle Throw. This is 50 by 60, polished right out of the box. Instantly gives that cozy but put together vibe. And this is on the back of my couch. So I love the chenille waffle weave. It's incredibly soft without being heavy. So, you know, it's comfortable all year round. I love the neutral beige and cream color. Goes with everything. Modern, farmhouse, minimalistic, you name it, it matches. And it's decorative and functional. This is on the back of my couch where my dog lays. So I just wanted a little protection in case they had those dirty paws, okay? Because my couch is light gray. This is one of those blankets that people actually reach for. I'm just going to use it on the back of my couch, but you can actually use it. It's not just to be admired. And this does wash really easily. My pups do get it dirty. I just wash it on cold and dry it on gentle, and it stays so beautiful. I love the waffle pattern. This one is a simple upgrade that makes the space feel warmer, softer, and more intentional, literally with no effort. Highly recommend.